We want to put you on the hot seat. We're going to put Jiries on the hot seat real quick. So Jiries, starting over, what would you do differently?
I would have searched for like a mentor sooner. I would have carried my philosophy that I have now, is always have somebody you want to work towards being like, and then always have somebody that you're helping get to where you're at. I would have dove into my community, my real estate community, way deeper, way faster. It's such an important network to be in.
Perfect. And a lot of people, you know what, when I ask this question, that's one of the main things that people say is, I would have hired a mentor or a coach a lot sooner than what I did. Okay, great. What is your greatest commodity outside of capital? What's your greatest resource?
I mean, time.
Okay, time. All right. What is one thing you can do to be more productive so you can get some of that time?
Delegate.
All right.
Get better at delegating. And one thing that I've gotten a lot better at too is only doing like hell yeah deals. Like when I walk into a place that I want to buy to keep as a rental, like if I'm not instantly like, I have to have this, if I don't feel that like gotta get it feeling, then I'm just not buying it, because I gotta get that feeling of like, I gotta have this.
Gotcha. All right. What drives your ambition? Because you seem to be a very ambitious guy.
Man, I just want to leave something, just leave something big. Like my family came here from Jordan with nothing, like 1978. And like I always believe, like they didn't come here just to be like, for us to just be average, right? Like my dad worked 3 jobs nonstop. My mom always like worked, did all this stuff. And it's like, if I was just like some big loser that did like nothing, right? And that didn't make like a huge impact. Not saying like, you know, in a negative way or anything like that. But if I was just like a drunk or just an idiot that just took advantage of that, like if I didn't do that, then all of what they did would be for nothing, right? So I just got to leave something bigger than what I was given. And just like my son, like I hope he leaves something bigger than what he was given. And you continue to give back and do that kind of stuff too.
Great. All right. What do you believe is your greatest challenge, if it's internal or external?
So honestly, sometimes it could be like staying motivated can kind of be tough sometimes, because like you're not, especially like when I was like, I worked my best when I was like hungry, right? My back was against the wall and stuff like that. And sometimes I just find myself like, let's get the office at like 10:30.
Yeah.
Like,
take the day off.
I'll just wait. I'll just do this. Like it's so easy during the summer too, because like, you know, like my son's out of school. So like, and part of the reason, you know, we did this is like you pay the dues, right? You work 10 years, 9 years to do this, to be able to go do pool days and stuff. But I just have to decide what's next for me. Like I know I'm in the hotels. I'm gonna keep doing that, keep adding stuff. It's like, how fast do I want to scale? But you know, I mean that's the challenging part, is just kind of staying motivated. Because again, in real estate, nobody's gonna make you do anything, right? You work to get paid. Like you have to put in the work to get paid. So the amount you make is a direct proportion of the work you put in.
There you go. So Jiries, man, thank you so much. Excellent show. I know the people got a wealth of information from this, starting from wholesaling all the way up to hotels. You covered a lot, man. How can we find you? How can we reach you if we want some more information?
Basically, I have Instagram, Jiries, Jiries. Do a lot of stuff on there. I have a wholesale course. It's not expensive. It's $500, but I teach like all kinds of really cool stuff. A friend of mine, Nate, has a Burr course that I help do stuff on, teaches buy and hold method. I think they're both super beneficial. Like you're going to learn a ton from both, but I also have a book, Real Estate Investing 101.
Okay.
So I'm sure we'll drop a link for that on Amazon, but I'm on here, man. I just like to help. Like that's why I think a big thing where I see myself 6 to 12 months is just like helping more people do deals. Like I'll continue to do like deals here and there, but I have people that work for me that I help. You know, I helped one guy, Dylan, that works for me, buy out his first 2 unit, getting seller financing. He brought $260 to closing and didn't have to put any more money than that to get the deal. But I just love like just helping people get the deals and taking everything that I've learned, all the mistakes I've made and everything, and then just seeing what happens with everybody else.
Perfect. So you guys, you got his Instagram. You got how to get in contact with him. So what you need to do right now is you got the instructions. We need you to apply these instructions and put them into action. So, Jiries, I really want to appreciate you being here. Again, thank you so much for taking your time out to be with the We Love Equity Real Estate family on today. And we want to applaud everything that you're doing, man. In 10 years, going from zero to owning hotels, that's a big step. And you really need to pat yourself on the back and applaud yourself for all of the work that you put in, sir.
Thank you, man. I hope the viewers got a lot of good stuff out of this and know that they can do it. Doesn't always happen overnight, but it happens. I'm telling you, it happens.
All right. So in parting, guys, you know what to do. Always remember to enjoy the journey.